This video should help you decode the F major scale. First, let's review our scale pattern for major scales. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Let's picture our keyboard and remember that this scale will start on F. Our first step is a whole step. F to G is one whole step because there is a note in between. Our next step is also a whole step. G to A. That's a whole step because we passed this note up here on our way to A. Our next step is a half step. A to B flat is a half step because we don't pass anything in between. Remember that in all scales we want to have one flavor of every note. We have an F, a G, an A, some kind of B, C, D, E, and an F. So the first and last notes can be the same. Otherwise, we need one flavor of every note. Because of that, we're going to call it B flat in this scale instead of A sharp, because we already have an A in this scale. Okay, moving on. We're on B flat, and we need a whole step next. So we're going to go to C. Notice that from B flat to C, we're going to pass this B natural right here. So that's a whole step. Next, we have another whole step. C to D is a whole step. We pass this note here. Next, we have another whole step. D to E is a whole step. We pass this note up here. And finally, all major scales end with a half step. So E to F is a half step. There's no notes in between, so that works out perfectly. So in review, the notes for the F major scale are F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. The chant for this scale is F, one flat, B flat.